So these are the different data types in Java, guys. What are these data types? These data types is known as primitive data types. This is known as primitive data types. So let's discuss one by one. The first data type is Boolean, guys. So what is the Boolean and what type of value it is stored? So when you declare any variable as a Boolean, so keep in mind it only accepts two values. Either it will accept true or either it will accept false. Okay, only two values. When you declare any variable as a Boolean, okay, it will only accept two values, either true or either false. It if you try to add any other value except Boolean, except true or false, it will give you an error, because this Boolean data type doesn't support any numeric, any alphabetic, and any other value other than true or false. So let's try with the Boolean, guys. So this is my class. Let me expand it. So guys, I'm deleting these things for now because we don't need this. Okay, so I'm going to declare the Boolean data type. So how you guys can declare the variable with the Boolean data type? How to declare variable with Boolean? Okay, to declare with the Boolean, guys, first of all you have to use keyword Boolean. And keep in mind, guys, the Java is a case sensitive language. What it means, like if I can declare this B as a capital, it will be no. We have to be in a specific form. Boolean is a keyword that is telling that this is the data type. Then you have to give the name of the variable. You guys can give any name. For example, U is equal assignment operator. Then I already told you it will accept only two values. Either you can say true or false. For example, I am putting true here and semicolon. So if you see, our syntax is now complete. Okay, this was our syntax. Like we have to give the data type that we have given as a Boolean, then name of the variable, U is our name of the variable, then assignment operator, then a value according to the data type, that is true. Okay, so this is how, guys, you guys able to create the data type variable with the data type in the Java. Now if you want to print this variable value, so just call here U. Okay, so let me run it. Now you see here, guys, it is showing as a true here. Okay, any question, guys, up to here? Guys, please open your Eclipse, okay, and try to declare a Boolean data type and print it value. Please go ahead very quickly.
Don't.
Everybody done, guys?
Yes, I'm done.
I'm done as well.
I have one question, Slim.
Yes.
I did it, but when I ran it, it also printed my name, but it's not printing your name.
Same here. That's what I was going to ask. Like
No,
it's
it
printing need. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh,
no, it's supposed to print your name because whatever the value you have
correct.
put
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know.
I get it, but I could only see yours true. I didn't see your name being printed.
I didn't get you, Sophie.
I mean, I think the screen was a little bit scrolled up or down, so I only could see true from your side. I couldn't see your name being printed as a result. But I got you.
Okay. Yes, Bhupinder, what is your question?
My question was same. Actually, I got it. Thank you.
Mine is showing error. Not sure what I'm missing.
Okay, show your screen very quickly. Where is the name of the variable? Where is your U?
After Boolean, you should
It
give a
should come before the equal sign.
after Boolean. Yeah, you have to give a name.
Good. Okay, stop sharing.
I have a quick question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so instead, like for example, we have a long script, like coding is done. So if you want to test if, for example, just like we enter Boolean and we just want to check if it's working or not, we can only run that Boolean part, or we have to run the whole code all the time.
It's all depend, Hassan, like what you are trying to achieve here. Like, uh, definitely when you declare any boolean, so you need that boolean for some specific purpose, right?
Yep.
So for example, most of time boolean we need for a decision making. If this is true, do this. If this is false, do this, right? So then definitely if you are in that scenario, then you have to run that specific whole code to make sure everything.
Okay, got it. If it's dependent on some other thing, yeah, gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Okay, let's come guys. Let's go with the byte. Okay, char. What is the char is, guys? So char character is used, guys, to store only a single value. Okay. So for example, if you want to store only a single value, as a char is equal to, we can say as a t is equal to, for example, a, right? So, or you want to store it into the, just give me 1 second. Yes, so char is used to store a single character. Okay, but you have to use a single quote here, not double quote. Okay, so now if you can print here sys out and t, so when you run it, so it will print the value. So as soon as you enter a second alphabetic character here, okay, so char working in two ways, guys. First, that uh, you can enter a single character inside that. You guys can store a single character with the single code, or you can put some unicode of that character. So what is the unicode, guys? Like whatever the uh, in the alphabetic characters that we are using, a b c, every character have a unicode in the behind. So either you can use the unicode in that character, or you guys can directly store a single character inside that. But char accepted only a single character in one variable. So if you have this type of situation where you have to store only a single character, then it's better to go, you guys can work with char data type. That is help us for storing it. Clear, guys? So next data type is byte. So guys, now if you know how to declare the variable, then only you have to keep in mind what is the purpose of these data types are. Like boolean is used to true or false, char is used to store a single character, byte. So byte spotted from the value range. So byte store used to store a numeric integers. Byte, short, int, long. These data types allows to store a whole numeric numbers. Okay, for example, if you want to declare as a byte, so byte spot only from -128 to 127.